The story of Baba Gorkhanath. Long ago, in the holy land of India, lived a very famous and divine yogi. His name was Baba Matsendra Nath. He belonged to the Nath sect, which is the famous spiritual lineage aligned with Lord Shiva and Lord Dattatreya. One day, while traveling, Baba reached Chandragiri town, situated on the banks of the Godavari river. While walking in that town, he stopped in front of a house. The doors of that house were open. Baba stood there and called out to the householders for food. Just then, a woman came out from the house. She greeted Baba and went inside to bring food. She came out and put the food in Baba's vessel. Baba saw that woman had sadness on her face and asked her the reason for the same. With tearful eyes, the woman said to Baba, "Baba, I am childless." Baba gave her the sacred ash and said, "Please eat this ash. You will definitely have a son." Saying this, Baba left from there. However, the women in her neighborhood advised her not to eat the ash. The doubtful woman decided not to eat the ash. In the courtyard of her house was a mound of cow dung which was used for farming. She went to the mound of cow dung and threw the ash there. It so happened that after 13 years, Baba returned to that town. After coming to the town, he reached the door of that woman and called out. When the woman came out of the door, Baba asked her about her child. The woman told the whole truth to Baba. Baba said to the woman, "Okay. You take me to the cow dung mound." "Is the cow dung mound still there?" The woman replied, "Yes, Baba. We have been collecting cow dung there for years." The woman took Baba to the cow dung mound. Reaching there, Baba called out loudly, "Alakh Niranjan." Alakh Niranjan is a term used in the Nath tradition of Hinduism and Sikh tradition to describe God. In a few moments, a child came out from deep inside the cow dung mound. The woman and the villagers were astonished to see the child coming out from inside the cow dung. The child was about 12 years old. When Baba started taking the child away, the woman apologized to Baba and asked him to give the child to her. Baba refused the woman and said, "You do not have any right over this child. Now, I myself will raise and educate the child." This child was named Goraksh, which means protected by the cows. This name was given because he was protected in cow dung for 12 years. This child grew up to be famous as Baba Gorkhanath and is considered as one of the greatest Mahayogis of India.